Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to set your time on your Samsung LED normal HD TV. And to do that, you just press the menu on your remote control and then go all the way down to the setup. Press the right button and go down to the word time, select on it. Now you can see the word clock here, just select on it. Now it's set to auto, so you can set it to manual, and now you can set the clock you want to make change to your times. For example, you want to change month to the December. Maximum is only 2099, and hour you can change it I want to change it to 21 and 40 minutes. Okay, so you can check your time zone here. Just press the information on your remote control and you can see it's now 1 December 2098. So now we change it back to H. Enter, and now we can check the information, and now it's time zone is become back to the normals again. Okay, and that's all for today's video of how you can change your time setting on your Samsung LED TV and how you can check the time. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.